Xin Chao, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the fascinating world of food. And today, we're delving into the mysterious and delicious world of Vietnamese Banh Bao. Get ready for a treat as we uncover some unknown facts and secrets about this iconic Vietnamese dish. Origins of Banh Bao. Before we dive into the unknown, let's quickly revisit the basics. Banh Bao, a steamed bun filled with various delectable ingredients, has a rich history rooted in Vietnamese culture. Did you know that its origins can be traced back centuries, evolving over time to become the beloved dish we know today? Unique fillings. Now, let's talk about the heart of Banh Bao, the fillings. While many are familiar with the classic pork and egg filling, did you know that there are regional variations with unique ingredients? From savory to sweet, Banh Bao can surprise you with fillings like taro, mung beans, and even a sweet custard. Join me as we explore the diverse world of Banh Bao fillings. Symbolic significance. Beyond its delightful taste, Banh Bao holds symbolic significance in Vietnamese culture. Traditionally, these steamed buns are associated with family gatherings and special occasions. In fact, the round shape of Banh Bao symbolizes completeness and unity. It's not just a dish, it's a cultural experience. Banh Bao in Vietnamese festivals. Did you know that Banh Bao plays a role in Vietnamese festivals? During Tet, the Vietnamese New Year, Banh Bao is a staple on the dining table, signifying prosperity and good fortune for the coming year. It's fascinating how food can be so deeply intertwined with cultural celebrations. Regional variations. One of the most intriguing aspects of Banh Bao is its regional diversity. Different regions in Vietnam have their own unique take on this dish, from the north to the south. The variations in flavors, fillings, and preparation methods showcase the culinary diversity within the country. Steaming techniques. Ever wondered why Banh Bao is always steamed? The traditional steaming method not only imparts a unique, fluffy texture to the bun but also allows the flavors to meld harmoniously. Join me as we explore the art of steaming and how it contributes to the perfection of Banh Bao. Banh Bao in Vietnamese folklore. Did you know that Banh Bao has made its way into Vietnamese folklore? There are tales that link this delightful dish to mythical creatures and ancient stories, adding a layer of enchantment to every bite. Stick around as we unravel the magical connections between Banh Bao and Vietnamese mythology. Modern twists. As the culinary world evolves, so does Banh Bao. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with modern twists on this classic dish. From fusion fillings to creative shapes, the contemporary Banh Bao scene is as diverse as it is delicious. Banh Bao across borders. Vietnamese communities around the world have brought Banh Bao to new horizons, adapting the dish to local tastes. Have you ever tried a Banh Bao with a global twist? From the streets of Saigon to the heart of international cities, let's explore how this Vietnamese delight has become a global sensation. DIY Banh Bao. Now, for all the aspiring chefs out there, let's roll up our sleeves and make our own Banh Bao. I'll be sharing a simple and authentic recipe, along with some tips and tricks to ensure your homemade Banh Bao rivals the best out there. Get ready to bring a taste of Vietnam to your kitchen. Banh Bao's cultural evolution. Banh Bao isn't just a dish, it's a reflection of Vietnam's cultural evolution. Over the years, it has adapted and evolved, incorporating influences from Chinese, French, and other regional cuisines. Banh Bao festivals and rituals. Beyond its everyday presence, Banh Bao takes center stage in Vietnamese festivals and rituals. From weddings to ancestral ceremonies, these steamed buns are an essential part of the celebration. Let's dive into the cultural rituals and traditions where Banh Bao becomes a symbol of joy, prosperity, and familial connections. And there you have it, folks, the unknown facts and hidden secrets of Vietnamese Banh Bao. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more food adventures, and let me know in the comments if you have any favorite Bon Bao memories or variations. Until next time, happy eating!